Was thoughtful, outspoken, pivot, great seeing. Love what you're doing, watching what you're doing, you're crushing, and congrats, man. Love having you on today.
Dangerous proposition.
This time it's 29. I want a costly bureaucracy to our healthcare system. Costly bureaucracy that would increase healthcare.
Escuchando los martes y jueves, PM en Noticias Poderosa. Nosotros te damos solución a ese endeudamiento. Negociamos por ti.
Pues sí, qué guapa está todo bien. Bueno, nos vamos a las 10:18.
Wild, shocking, confusing, all at once. It started, as we all know, with a Woj bomb, with a couple of nights ago saying that the Celtics
the belt a little bit here. You can no longer transfer during the season, which is the way I've been saying that for a year. I'm for it. You shouldn't be able to transfer the week before you're playing a rival to the rival's team. But USC used the portal more than any team. They were 4-8 last year. They got one NFL player on their entire defense.